My absolute favorite part about LeanData's scheduling app is that you just download it off the App Exchange natively into Salesforce. It really has to be one of the easiest to implement marketing tools out there today, especially if you're an existing LeanData customer, where all we need to do is fire up this new tab for BookIt, and then it will automatically enable scheduling for both humans and agents alike. Everything will also leverage your LeanData matching. For over a decade, LeanData has been recognized as the heavyweight champion when it comes to lead to account matching in Salesforce. And you better believe when data comes in from these AI SDRs, it's good, it's bad, missing, ugly, not unlike the forms and chatbots that preceded them. So we'll apply tools like word component tokenization, synonym and acronym dictionaries for people and companies, fuzzy matching algorithms, and of course your custom tiebreaker rules when we run into multiple matches. What does all this mean for scheduling? It means that we schedule with the right person or team the first time, every time. All right, the first AI SDR that we're going to be looking at today is the one for your website, likely in place to answer questions, provide information, maybe even quick demos, and then of course to book live meetings with human SDRs. We do all of this, of course, through standard web forms, but what's become very popular in 2026 with LeanData customers is to experiment with tools like Piper from Qualified or Mindy from OneMind. We have folks using Warmly.ai and, of course, Agentforce as well to engage with prospects on their website, answer questions, and book meetings. So this is Charlie. This is LeanData's AI SDR that's built on the Qualified platform. I have the ability as a prospect to have a live conversation with Charlie, ask probing questions, and then, of course, book meetings. Let's go take a look.
How can I help you?
Hey, Charlie, I was wondering if you could tell me what LeanData does.
Of course. LeanData is an intelligent GTM orchestration platform for Salesforce. It automates lead-to-account matching, routing, scheduling, and coordinated actions across your revenue team.
That's fascinating. Who are some of your largest customers?
Great question. Some of our biggest customers include Anthropic, OpenAI, and Databricks. They rely on LeanData to streamline their go-to-market operations.
That's amazing. Can I get a live demo?
Happy to set up a demo. What's the best email to use? You can type it into the chat for accuracy.
Charlie's going to take my email, process it, and determine if he should book a meeting and then with whom. Could be a matched account owner, matched opportunity owner,
Thanks, Brendan.
maybe a round robin
Now,
pool.
could you let me know the size of your company? You can pick from the options on your screen.
Great.
Got it.
So what Charlie has done is he's gone into Salesforce, he's pulled up a flow builder, and then gone into the individual or individual's calendar, whether it be Google Cal or Microsoft, and pulled up availability based on a set of rules. Within the BookIt for Forms flow builder, you'll find entry nodes for demo requests, our qualified AI SDR, chat conversations, and routing links new for 2026. Within the qualified SDR node, you'll find every answer to every question that was asked of the prospect that you'll be able to use in booking decisions. You'll also be able to match to any record inside of Salesforce to identify account owners, opportunity owners, and round-robin pools that you may wish to schedule with. Many customers will also reject a strong percentage of prospects. Maybe they've given you an email address that contains a personal domain. Well, LeanData maintains a list of public domains globally that you can leverage. Even more customers, if they don't match to your account, may choose not to schedule a meeting with you. Not to say they won't chase after that lead later, but if we don't know who you are or who your account is, we may not want to roll out the red carpet and schedule a meeting. When it does come down to scheduling, we can schedule with matched record owners or round-robin pools. Within the round-robin pools, we have count-based pools and order-based pools. You can also have additional hosts that can be either required or optional. All meetings will come with a meeting type, which will determine the branding, logos, length of meeting, and communications that go out to the prospect. And then for every meeting we schedule, we'll create an event in Salesforce that you can stamp with custom data. Now, the fact of the matter is, many people will engage with these AI SDRs, but not everybody will schedule a meeting. This is what brings us to use case number 2 for LeanData's AI SDR orchestration. For our next AI SDR use case, we'll be discussing email agents. This process starts by creating dedicated Salesforce users for each one of your email agents. As new records come in, clients will take a number of different steps when it comes to enrichment. matching, and then ultimately decision making to determine who gets the record. In our example here, we have enterprise and commercial leads. When it comes to AI SDR experimentation, LeanData customers are strongly leaning into the commercial and SMB prospects. With this particular round robin pool, we have a hybrid round robin pool of both Charlie, our AI agent, and Hugh and Heidi, our human SDRs. Leveraging LeanData allows them to change the distribution percentages that go to the humans versus the agents as they do their A/B testing. This also allows you to use LeanData's reporting and dashboards to ensure that every record gets worked on every time. LeanData also has the ability to automatically add prospects to outreach sequences, SalesLoft cadences. This allows you to automatically kick off emails with scheduling links to schedule meetings with live human beings. We also track SLAs, and this isn't just for the humans. AI agents break down too. You have the ability to enforce one or multiple milestones within your SLA with LeanData's new SLA node. You also have the ability to evaluate only while the user is working. This works great for humans because it makes the rules fair. For agents, they can work around the clock. Also new for the SLA node is extended tracking time, where you can see ultimately how long it took to get the process completed, even if the SLA expired. Built-in notifications are available, although with this particular use case, we're going to send a different notification to a human if an SLA is missed, versus if an SLA is missed by an AI SDR, that notification will go to the AI SDR admin. And if you are a human SDR or SDR leader, you'll really like our SLA dashboard package that's up on the App Exchange. This allows everyone to track their performance against their peers to ensure they're never ever replaced by an AI SDR.